Are you in search of a high-quality stainless steel pan that's both versatile and built to last? This Delarlo 12-inch Tri-Ply stainless steel frying pan with lid may just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. This frying pan promises fast and even heat distribution, durability, and a design compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Let's dive into what makes the Delarlo pan unique and why it might be the ideal choice for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Unmatched heat distribution and retention. One of the standout features of the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel pan is its advanced Tri-Ply construction. This pan combines 304 food-grade stainless steel with an aluminum core and an 18-0 outer layer, which work together to ensure rapid, even heat distribution across the entire pan, from the base to the sidewalls. Many users report that food cooks faster and more evenly in this pan than in others, making it ideal for everything from searing meats to stir-frying vegetables. This efficient heat distribution also means you can cook with medium to low heat and still achieve great results, which is energy-saving and helps preserve the pan's integrity over time. With this pan, you're not only saving on fuel costs but also contributing to a more eco-friendly kitchen experience. Versatile and safe for high temperatures. The Delarlo 12-inch frying pan is rated for use on all cooktops, including induction, and can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, making it highly versatile. You can start cooking on the stovetop and transfer it to the oven for finishing, giving you more flexibility in your cooking methods. This makes it ideal for recipes that require browning or searing before baking. The glass lid, which is oven-safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, allows you to monitor your dishes as they cook, while the steam vent ensures pressure release for safer cooking. For further safety, the pan's sturdy hollow handle is designed to reduce heat transfer, so you won't need to worry about accidentally burning your hand when lifting it off the stovetop. Heavy-duty construction for long-lasting performance. Durability is another area where the Delarlo frying pan shines. Constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel, this pan is designed to withstand rigorous daily use without warping or denting. The rivet-free surface eliminates food traps, making cleanup easier and reducing the risk of bacterial buildup. Additionally, the pan is dishwasher safe, so you can enjoy a hassle-free cleanup after every meal. Another practical feature is its rounded, encapsulated rim that allows for drip-free pouring and easy transfers, so you won't have to worry about messy spills when transferring food from the pan to a plate. Health-conscious and flavorful cooking. If health and taste are your top priorities, this pan has you covered. Unlike some non-stick options that can leach chemicals into food at high temperatures, the Delarlo pan is made from non-toxic, food-grade 1810 stainless steel. This means it won't react with acidic or alkaline foods, so the flavors remain true and pure. The surface is large and flat, providing more cooking space compared to most other 12-inch skillets on the market, allowing for more precise cooking control and better searing on meats. Practical design for everyday cooking. This pan's versatility and classic design make it an excellent choice for a variety of cooking methods: frying, stir-frying, steaming, baking, and even searing. It's a pan that's as suited to professional kitchens as it is to home cooking, and the timeless design will fit seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic. The ultimate verdict. Why choose the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel pan? The Delarlo 12-inch frying pan isn't just another skillet, it's a high-quality, versatile tool that's perfect for all your cooking needs. Whether you're an experienced chef or just getting started, this pan offers durability, performance, and functionality that's hard to beat. Its energy efficiency, rapid and even heat distribution, and compatibility with all cooktops, including induction, make it a standout choice. With the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel pan, you're investing in a piece of cookware that not only makes cooking easier and more enjoyable, but also helps you create healthier, tastier meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.